In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a circle outline here in Canva. So first off, we're going to need a circle, and there's two ways to get these. Now we are going to be utilizing shapes here in Canva. So first off, we want to come over to Elements. We then want to scroll down to where it says Shapes, click on See All, and then we can choose a circle. So if we click on there, we've now got that on the page. Now the quicker way to do that is just pressing C on the keyboard for the shortcut. So if we press C, we now have a circle. Now to turn this into an outline is pretty simple at that. What we want to do is click onto the circle, come up to here to the left hand corner where we see this border style. Now if we click on here, we can choose a few different border weights. As we can see just here, let's go with this first one. We can then play around with the thickness of this circle outline as well. We can make it really thick or really thin. Let's go round about there. Now if we click onto the colour icon, the border colour, just here, we can actually choose a different colour for this border. Now if we want this circle translucent as well, what we want to do is click onto the colour icon next to the border colour, then come to Document Colours and this one where we have this red line. Now if we click on there, we now have no colour and we just have our circle outline. So that's how to make a circle outline here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.